Hey everyone, my name is Tiffany. I'm director with Total Life Changes, and I'm going to do a demonstration with our chemical peel. This is our chemical peel. This is the box it comes in, and these are the little packages that it comes in, and I'm excited about this. Well, if I can get it open. Anyway, this is the prep, and this is the peel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration because a lot of people are curious about how it works and how to do it. And it's fairly easy. It comes with cotton swabs. And give me just a second. It comes with like garlic sponges to use. But before I try it, before I demonstrate it, I'm going to read to you some of the benefits and kind of give you a little bit of background on the Duo Prep and Peel. And it is a powerful duo. It's a chemical peel. You apply weekly after cleansing with Tomica. You rinse and then apply the ISO oil for healing. And the ISO oil comes with a sample with this. So that's one of the kits. It's a sample size ISO oil, but of course my daughter has taken it out already, so I'm sorry I have to use the full size bottle. So this, for those of you who don't know what this is the ISO oil that you use after the Duo Prep and Peel. Alright, caution, you only use the Prep and Peel once. And for those of you who's on here watching this, please give me some hearts, because this is going to be some amazing information that I'm going to share with you. And for those of you who's not a rep or not a customer with someone else, I'm going to give you my information and instructions on how you can place your order. Hey, Sonia. And one of the ingredients in the Duo Prep and Peel is mandelic acid. And for those of you who don't know what it is, mandelic has a very large molecule which gives it low irritation factor. But it has a stronger pK level with glycolic acid, and that gives it great action. Mandelic is derived from an extract of bitter almonds, but will not cause allergic issues. Okay? So, but what it does is, it's one of the benefits is treating stubborn acne. So those of you who have issues with acne like I do, like it was terrible. When I first started this, it was just terrible. But now, since I've been using the Duo Prep and Peel, you can tell where my acne once was. Now I just have scars, but those scars are minimizing, and that's to help with this Duo Prep and Peel. But then another benefit is Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Another is that it's reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. So it's an anti-aging property. Dramatic improvement as well as the glycolic treatment, but without the irritation or post-inflammatory and then pigmentation, often seen with other AHA acids. Tongue twister. But then it rapidly improved the skin textures and sustained the effect over several months. So even after you're using it, it still has benefits of it. But then it's reducing pigmentation. So, and for those of you who don't know what pigmentation is, it's the difference in your skin. Now, right here, you guys probably cannot see that, but right here was like a black scar. I don't know what it was. I don't know how I got there, but it was like a black scar. And right here is normally where I have a lot of my acne come up at. And so that was part of a pigmentation. And thanks to the Duo Prep and Peel, I mean, it's still there. The scars are there, but not as like it's lighting up each time. And I can tell the difference. So Sonia, does she like it? And, you know, with reducing the pigmentation, the brown spots and large freckles. So it kind of helps lighten up your skin. But then the glycolic acid, probably the most well-known of alpha hydroxy acids. Glycolic acid is a general type of acid used for a chemical peel. It is water-soluble and works nicely on most skin types to accelerate the turnover of skin cells. It removes lesions and restores steadiness. Lactic acid, what will exfoliate the outer surface of the skin and encourage new cell turnover. It's a natural humectant, pulling moisture from the collagen levels to the surface of the skin. It is excellent acid choice for dry and sun-damaged skin. salicylic this is some tongue twisters. Acid is a beta hydroxy that is highly effective superficial peeling agent and pore cleanser that can help you. It also loosens and removes aging cells, oil, and debris attached to the skin's surface and stimulates new cell production and increased collagen formation. It is oil soluble and lipophilic, so it's able to penetrate sebum, filled follicles, and clean out clogged pores, resulting in marked improvement in acne-prone skin. Citric acid is an intrinsic property found in a wide array of fruits and vegetables, which helps protect the skin from damaging free radical activity. Citric acid is a natural antioxidant, can effectively treat age spots. So there you go, another benefit. It is also used for an astringent and skin lightening properties. Then you have the phytic acid, most often used as a skincare lightening ingredient. So for those of you with all this scarring like I do, use a few applications and then you let me know how it turns out. You're going to love the results. But as well as acting as a melanin formation blocker, it is also an antioxidant. It can reduce oxidation stress and thus to help to reduce the inflammatory process, which could be a precursor to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Green tea and pomegranate extract is an antioxidant action. So for those of you, I have terrible acne. I have inflamed skin. And like, this is amazing. So what I'm going to do is, one of the processes that you have to clean your skin. Give me just a second. And what I rinse my skin off with, TLC has a Pomica. And this Pomica is just a face and body cleanser. It's all natural. The stuff smells good. I mean, it smells like apples. It smells good. But it's a face and body cleanser. You can mix like a half a pump of this with your body wash and scrub, scrub, scrub. And it, like, your body's going to feel good. So I'm just going to wet my face. And I'm just going to use this. Like, when I say like a half a pump of this. Half a pump of this, and just put this all over your face. Because what we're doing right now, we're just going to wash our face with this face wash. And we're just going to, that's it. And it's not like we're going to let it, it's not like we're just going to let it sit. We're just going to put it on here. And we're just going to wash it off. We're just going to wash this off. And then we can get down to the good stuff. To the Duo Prep and Peel. I love this. This stuff has saved my skin. And I say that because, you know, everybody's focused on the weight loss. And don't get me wrong, the weight loss is amazing. And Lord knows I need to lose weight. And I am losing weight with the products. But to me, my skin is more noticeable than my weight. Because clothes cover up our weight. I can't find anything to cover up my face. That was a joke, so I laugh. So anyway, so more importantly, my skin was like top priority. And since I've been using these products, like, I can tell a difference in my skin. And for those of you who wears makeup, you will even notice a difference when you have on your makeup. Alright, so here we go. My face is clean, and I'm just going to let it air dry. But then this Duo Prep and Peel comes in a pack. It's this box right here. It comes with your prep, it comes with your peel, but then it comes with a sample container of Emi oil, which I don't have because my daughter saw what it was and she realized that, oh, the Emi oil comes with it, and she took my Emi oil. So anyway, so I don't have that, but I have my full-size bottle, which works just as good. So, it comes with the gauze pads. It comes with everything you need. All you need is just water. It doesn't come with water. Alright. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this pack out. I fold it simply because I don't want anything excess. And what you're going to do is, you're going to use the peel. Okay? So, we're going to back up. Our face is clean. We washed it with the face wash. Now we're going to do the prep. And what the prep is, it's just kind of like, let's put it on here. I just let it dab. And what it does is just kind of like a cleanser. Another cleanser to kind of make sure there's not any extra dirt left over from cleaning our skin. Okay, so pretty much. And I do outwards. I do outwards with everything. Down. And you may feel like a tingling, burning sensation. I do. And simply because with my skin, I'm always breaking out. Like, it's better because I don't have the bumps. Hey, Eugene. I don't have the bumps as much. I have more of the scars. But I still pop up with pimples every now and then. Not near as often as I used to. Alright. Yes, I have my gown. I'll inbox you here in a little bit, Eugene. And I'll share with you my gowns. Alright. I think I have it covered all over my face. So here we go. And also you will need a timer for this as well. Alright, now we're going to open up another pack. I need some hearts. Come on. We're going to open up another pack. This time I'm just going to leave it open. And then this is the prep. Comes in like a dropper, okay? Someone's calling me. Just give me 1 second so I can X them off. A lot of people calling me. Anyway. Sorry. So anyway, here we go. This is the prep. It comes in a little dropper. Here we go. This is the dropper. And you just do 1 dropper full, honestly. You just need 1 dropper full. That's all you need on this. And this is what I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Here we go. Now this is a little kind of saturated really, really good. Alright. We're just going to, like I said, go downward strokes. I should have set the timer. But I didn't. But I can still set it afterwards. My phone is here. Just make sure we get everywhere. Even up under. Because up here, I had a real issue with, like, hair bumps and popping up. Like, all that's clear. Like, it's not clear. There's, like, no more breaking out there. Alright, so here we go. Who out there got a timer? Somebody time me for 20 minutes. Now, and I'm trusting y'all too because I have no clock in here. And I didn't set my phone. So y'all going to have to work with me. Alright. So that's set for 20 minutes. I'm going to throw this away. And I'm just going to let this sit for 20 minutes. Let me check my phone. So it's 8:50. It's about 9:10. So y'all have 20 minutes to talk to me. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do this for 20 minutes tonight because I'm sure y'all have more things to do than sit here and watch me. So we're just going to do a quick view of the skincare products because this needs to set for a minimum of 10 minutes. I do 20 minutes because I know my skin type. But for those of you who's not really sure on how, like, matter of fact, if this is your first application, do 10 minutes. The reason why I say that, the minimum of 10 minutes, simply because you want to make sure it doesn't burn your skin because, again, this is a chemical peel. So it's always wise to do 10 minutes. Trial and error. So, and for those of you who has very sensitive skin, if 10 minutes is too long, and you start to feel a burning sensation after a couple of seconds, apply cold water. That stops the chemical process. For some reason, I didn't get directions this time around, but I've used this enough to pretty much, I know it all. For people with very, very sensitive skin, usually 5 to 10 minutes. If after 5 minutes you don't feel any tingling or burning or redness coming up, leave it on there for another 5 minutes. Pretty pretty much check your skin. Just kind of keep a check and make sure there's no redness or there's no burning sensation, or you will know if your skin is burning. I mean, you'll know. Me, like I said, I do 20 minutes simply because, well, this is like my 5th or 6th box. So I know my skin well enough to where I know that I can do this. But what I will say is, to stop the chemical process, you must use cold water. And we're going to get to that. But I'm right now I'm just using up time. But then you're going to follow up with the emu oil. And reason why with the emu oil, because of course the chemical peel is going to dry out your skin. It's like a deep cleaning process. It's like, yes, it's a deep cleaning process. So you can't use anything else but the oil to moisturize your skin. Now what I will say is, a lot of people use this, in 1 second. A lot of people uses the exfoliant. Nothing against the exfoliant. The exfoliant is fan-freaking-tastic. I use this in combination with my chemical peel, but here's a side note on that. Let me just leave it out. This exfoliant is a scrub. The chemical peel, you cannot use this scrub for 2 days. So today is Sunday. That means I can't use this scrub until Tuesday. Reason being, because right now your skin is very vulnerable. You have a chemical process. So even after I wipe this off, I'm still going to get the benefits of this chemical peel. So with that being said, my skin is in a very vulnerable state. It's still in a sensitive area. So it's kind of like, how can I say this? It's kind of like you scraping yourself and turn around and pouring alcohol on it. It's going to burn. Well, with this exfoliant, if you've done a chemical peel and you scrub your skin, you're going to scar up your skin. You're going to scratch your skin. You may even damage your skin. You may even... There's different extremes. I don't want to scare you, but if you use this, you will have to wait to use at least 2 days to use a chemical peel. I do believe that it's 2 days before and 2 days after of this, simply because you don't want your skin to be irritated when you put chemicals on there. For my African American people out there, if you're using a perm, you know you cannot scratch your hair before getting a perm. You can't scratch your hair while getting a perm. This is the same process with this chemical peel. So, on that note, but what you can do is, and I will say that, what you can do is, if you do your chemical peel during the day, you can use your Luna. You can use your Luna. Matter of fact, what I do is, I do the emu oil first, and then I use the Luna. Or you can use the Luna and use the emu oil over it. And because, for those of you who don't know, this emu oil is transdermal. If you're not familiar with what transdermal for, and I think it was Miss Jennifer Tilney had talked about this on Facebook in a skincare group, that transdermal meaning that it travels 7 layers into your skin. It's a carrier oil. For those of you who doesn't know what transdermal means, emu oil is a carrier oil. So, and what that means is, let's say if you're using our other skincare products, like the ISO Soul, this is our day cream. Well, ISO Luna is our night cream. And let's say you want to use this first and mix this with this, you can. And you know what happens is, this Luna will be carried 7 layers into your skin because you mix it with emu oil. And what is this Luna does? This is a nighttime cream that helps with like the anti-aging and anti-wrinkles. So the benefits of the chemical peel, mixing it with the ISO oil and the ISO Luna, honey, we're talking about 7 layers of anti-aging treatment. That is like fan-freaking-tastic, right? Yes, on top of you using this chemical peel, right? So yes, let's check the time. So we still have about 5 more minutes. Let me put this up. And then also some other great skincare products. 1 second, let me just bring out my whole little kit caboodle. Is our ISO oils. And I'm going to show you this. This is our ISO oils. This is eye cream. I love it. It's an apple, stem cell, and Ganoderma eye cream. And keep in mind, all this is natural. All of it is. It's natural. And what this does is the dark circles around your skin, around your eyes, this helps. Thank you. Like, this helps. It does. You use it is it twice a day? Yes. Use this twice a day. And and you're welcome. And the thing is, I've used like skincare is my thing. And reason being because I have troubled skin. I do. So I've spent thousands of dollars. And I spent some money on skincare products. Like, I'm serious, because it's like, hey, if it helped with acne, I want to try it. Because, I've gone to dermatologists. I got tired of paying co-pays, and they want to put me on peels, and they want to try this, and like, they didn't know no more than I did. So I got tired of spending money for stuff that didn't work. So, I've tried, let's see, Beauty Control. I've tried Mary Kay, Avon. I'm trying to think. I've tried everything. And not saying that it doesn't work. It just didn't work for me. Like with Beauty Control, they had great products. But the issue I was having was, like, their eye cream stuff was burning my eyelids. Like, it was making it sore. I've tried Proactive too. And with Proactive, and thank you, Sonia, Proactive, and then the makers of Proactive, I can't think of the name of it, they have a separate line from the two. Neither one of them did not work with me. And the thing was with Proactive is that it cleared my skin. Oh, it cleared my skin up quick. But you know what? As soon as I stopped using it, it's like my acne came back with a vengeance. So I'm back at square one. It was one of them things where you could never stop using it. Like, you had to use it. And with these TLC products, like, I went out of town and I left my skincare products. And when I tell you, I was so stressed out, because I'm just like, all this hard work. Yeah, it came back worse, Sonia. But I left my kid at home, and I'm just like, man, I'm pissed. Like, my weekend was ruined, because I'm thinking, I done busted my butt to get my skin clear. I've done all this, and I'm going to break out. And I was wearing makeup, and I'm thinking makeup is going to make my skin break out. 2 days with no skincare. Like, I did not use that stuff. Now, don't get me wrong. I use soap, which you're not supposed to, because that dries out your skin more. But I need to wash my face. I need to wash off the makeup. And did I break out? I did not. I did not. And normally when I wear makeup, I can almost assure you I come up with a little pimple right around here. And I did not. I did not. So to me, that was my, oh, this really works. Because not only was my skin clearing up, but then I can wear makeup and not break out. And all the time I'm thinking that it was makeup that was breaking me out. And really and truly, it's not makeup that was breaking me out. It was that the stuff that I was using was not cleaning my skin deep. It was just cleaning the surface on it. And what happens is when you put makeup, and this is what I've learned, when you put makeup on your skin and your skin is not skin deep clean, you're caking more stuff into your pores, which is going to cause an outbreak. Does it make sense or not? It does. It does. For all my makeup wearers out there, my makeup ladies. You don't break out because your skin is dirty. You make up because you're breaking out because, yeah, your skin is dirty, but then it's like the cleanser that you were using is not cleaning layers deep. This stuff does. This does. And I'm going to tell you how good this is. Just the Pomica alone. My 12-year-old daughter uses this. Just the Pomica alone. She's at that hormone stage where everything is starting to change. So she's having a little dryness here, breakout here. Just the Pomica alone, follow up with the ISO oil. My baby is not breaking out. Yeah. Like, Pomica is like the greatest. I'm going to show you something else. You probably see this, but for those